Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this simple problem, which is your machine Ricoh. It's a Ricoh official MP200 MP201 SF. So whenever you try to print or copy, it says see instructions in right cover to remove. So very simple, 1 2 3. So the problem might be here. So what you do, I'm gonna try to change the machine to this side. I don't have much space here, so anyone wanna make copy? Okay, so what you do, you open here. That's it. Open. After opening, check if there is some paper jam, and I think I've seen one, but it's a little bit tiny. Can't really tell. Okay, so it doesn't talk about paper jam, but you can see something in the key. Then we're gonna do the first test. I saw something also. Somewhere here. I don't understand what is this here. Anyway, it could be something like the printer needs to be cooled more. That's one of the first tests. Let's test and see. So we're gonna get. Papers, the tray. Okay. The tray back. Let's see what's going on. Let's hit one copy. Well, everything's super simple, super cool. You can see that is done. So some eggs. Put the papers here. Okay, then you slide this out. For instance, we take this guy out, then try to make a copy. You can see we took it from that side. If you feel there is no paper jam again, then it's fine. So it made a copy this side, you can see. So sometimes it happens that maybe your tray, the roller from this tray does not pick up the paper anymore, you get me? So when the rubbers finish like this one, because this works, most people know this one, so this roller finishes, get me? So once it finishes, it won't be able to pick up paper. You can see when I drive like this, it picks up the paper. You can see time will come when this is older, so you won't be able to do what, to pick up. So what you do, this is the bonus trick I'm giving you. So what you do, you take out this tray, you open this tray on the side, so you put in paper here, you slide this guy here to hold your papers nicely, then you start making copies. Though it can't take a lot of papers like here, so you can put maybe 10, 20, something like that, you get me? So I think that is one of the good bonuses I've given you guys. So our machine is fixed. I'm gonna put it back to its place. Okay, you bring this back here. Okay, then I'm done. Machine is the dot doesn't work nicely, so they put salt tape here. So okay, the machine is operational, so I'm gonna leave, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. So everywhere you go, when you have a problem, link us. If you have a different machine also giving you the same problem, just know there might be a paper jam. Sometimes the machine won't tell you that there's a paper jam. What it does, it gives you what? It tells you that message, the one I showed you, but now you can see it doesn't give you. But sometimes when you switch off, the message goes away. When you try to press print, the message comes back, you get me? That's the issue now with that. Yeah, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. If you really appreciate what we've done, then you can really share our content and tell everybody that we won with the best if it comes to fixing some small issues with Ricoh. This is a Ricoh official MP201. Sometimes it could be the same, but written 161, 171, like those, but the design is the same. The things you do are the same, right? So we have a couple of machines here, but I came in to fix that. So I'm at a client's place, so they call me in and I fix some simple problems they can't fix themselves. Then yeah, and also I say, no, let me take this chance, and maybe there could be a person like you watching now having the same issue, but if I do a video, then you can see and do it yourself. These guys, they pay me for doing that, you get me? So Ricoh printers are very good printers. I like them, easy to maintain, but these are old machines. I've never used the new ones, but the old ones are very good. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.